Best Options Trading Guide for 2024 with expert tips. Did you realize that options trading has the potential to provide larger profits than typical stock trading? Welcome to the Best Options Trading Guide of 2024. If you are thinking about getting into the world of options trading, you have come to the correct place. Before we continue on this journey together, we must acknowledge the necessity of creating a firm foundation. Options trading provides exciting profit prospects, but without a solid understanding of the fundamentals, navigating the market's complexity can be difficult. So, let's lay the components together and put you on the path to success in options trading. Understanding options trading can be difficult for beginners due to the number of unfamiliar terms, tactics, and hazards. One typical issue is understanding the vocabulary connected with options, which ranges from terminology like call and put to more sophisticated notions like delta and implied volatility. Furthermore, understanding the many tactics available might be intimidating, as each comes with its own set of laws and concerns. Furthermore, newcomers frequently have difficulty appropriately assessing the risks associated with option trading. Unlike typical stock trading, options have distinct risk considerations, including the threat of losing the entire investment if the trade does not go as anticipated. Understanding how to manage and limit these risks is critical to long-term success in options trading. Overall, the path to mastering options trading is fraught with challenges, but with determination, education, and practice, beginners may overcome these obstacles and realize the full potential of this exciting investment opportunity. Let's go over the fundamentals of options trading. So, what are options and how are they different from stocks? Options are financial contracts that allow the holder the right, but not the duty, to buy or sell an underlying asset at a defined price within a set period. Unlike stocks, which reflect ownership in a corporation, options allow you to bet on the future value of an item without really owning it. Now, let's break down some major terms you'll see in options trading. 1. Call option. A call option allows the holder to purchase the underlying asset at a predetermined price, known as the strike price, before or on the expiration date. 2. Put option. In contrast, a put option gives the holder the right to sell the underlying asset at a fixed price before or on the expiration date. 3. Strike price. The strike price, also known as the exercise price, is the price at which an option can be exercised to buy or sell the underlying asset. 4. Expiration date. This is the date the option contract expires. After the expiration date, the option loses its value and no longer exists. To demonstrate, take this example. Assume you are optimistic about company XYZ, whose stock is now trading at $50 a share. You choose to buy a call option with a strike price of $55 and an expiration date of 1 month from now. This indicates you have the option to purchase company XYZ shares for $55 per share during the next month. If company XYZ's stock price climbs over $55 before the expiration date, you can exercise your call option and purchase the stock at the specified strike price, possibly benefiting from the difference between the market price and the strike price. However, if the stock price continues below $55, you may decide not to exercise the option and let it expire worthless. In short, options trading allows you to profit from market moves without owning the underlying asset. Beginners may build the framework for effective options trading strategies by learning basic terminology such as calls, puts, strike price, and expiration date. For newcomers to options trading, knowing specific principles and tactics may dramatically improve their performance and reduce risks. Let's look at some professional ideas and strategies. 1. Understanding the Greeks. The Greeks are a collection of measures for evaluating numerous factors that influence the price of options. Here's a quick overview. A delta determines the sensitivity of an option's price to changes in the price of the underlying asset. A delta of 0.50 indicates that the options price will fluctuate approximately half as much as the underlying asset. B. Gamma indicates the pace at which the delta of an option varies in response to changes in the price of the underlying asset. Gamma is highest for at-the-money options and drops when options go deeper into or out of the money. C. Theta represents the pace at which an option's value decays over time. Theta rises as the option approaches expiration, particularly for options close to the money. DD Vega determines the sensitivity of an option's price to changes in implied volatility. Higher Vega values suggest that the option's price is more sensitive to fluctuations in volatility. 2. The importance of risk management. Effective risk management is critical in options trading to safeguard money and reduce losses. Here are some important principles. Position sizing. Determine the best size for each trade depending on your risk tolerance and account size. Avoid risking more than a certain percentage of your wealth on a single transaction. Use stop-loss orders. Set stop-loss orders to automatically terminate a transaction if it moves against you beyond a certain threshold. This helps to reduce possible losses and avoid emotional decision-making. Diversification. Spread your investments across diverse assets, industries, and methods to mitigate the impact of a single trade or market event on your whole portfolio. Risk-reward ratio. Before making a deal, consider the prospective risks and rewards. Aim for transactions with a positive risk-reward ratio, which means the possible benefit outweighs the potential danger. 3. Practice with paper trading. Before investing real money, try using a paper trading account. This allows you to experiment with different strategies, understand how options respond in different market circumstances, and improve your abilities without risking actual losses. 4. Continuous learning. Because options trading is a dynamic and ever-changing subject, you must commit to continual education to stay current on market trends, methods, and new discoveries. Use tools like books, online courses, and respected financial websites to broaden your understanding. Beginners may boost their confidence and success in options trading by learning about the Greeks, applying good risk management measures, and constantly polishing their abilities. Remember that patience and discipline are essential qualities on the path to becoming a successful options trader. In conclusion, this video has discussed the fundamentals of options trading for beginners, emphasizing the significance of education, practice, and sensible risk management. We've covered fundamental concepts including option nomenclature, the Greeks, delta, gamma, theta, and vega, and the importance of risk management measures. One important takeaway is the advice to begin with paper trading before risking real money. Paper trading allows newcomers to practice making trades, testing alternative methods, and gaining important experience without jeopardizing their funds. It is a low-pressure setting in which mistakes and lessons may be learned without financial repercussions. Furthermore, ongoing education is highlighted as a critical component of success in options trading. Whether through books, online courses, or other educational tools, continuous learning is critical for remaining current on market trends, improving trading methods, and reacting to changing market circumstances. Finally, viewers are invited to stay tuned for more advanced option trading tutorials. As you continue through your trading career, you will encounter more complicated tactics and approaches that can help you improve your abilities and profits. So, keep studying and practicing, and stay tuned for further tips and advice on mastering the art of option trading. Don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with anyone eager to dive into the world of options trading. If you found this beginner-friendly guide helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on mastering options trading. We'd love to hear from you, so drop a comment below, sharing your experiences with options trading or suggesting topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Your feedback helps us tailor our content to meet your needs and ensure we're providing the most relevant information to support your trading journey. Thank you for watching, and remember to stay tuned for more valuable tips and strategies to help you navigate the exciting world of options trading with confidence.